Hi, this is the course on Science of Learning where we'll talk about how people learn. But let's leave all that for later units. Right now, we'll just see a video where some students are trying to measure the length of a figure using a centimeter scale. Let's see this video.
The pencil point is on C6 centimeter. That's why I think it is C, the correct answer.
This 4 will count as 1 and till 9 it will be 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So, did you notice something in the video? Let's answer some questions related to it. So, this was the question asked by students in the video. How many students or what percent of students do you think answered correctly? Well, about 11% students answered correctly, that is 5 centimeter. Now, the next question is, which of the incorrect options do you think most of the students opted? Well, the correct answer is option C, that is 6 centimeter, which about 77% of the students opted. Now, what we noticed in this video was that students were making a mistake. But another important thing that we should notice is that most of the students were making the same mistake, that is, they were measuring the length of the pencil as 6 centimeter. Now, why would that be? Now, on further investigation, the interviewers actually found out that students were reading the scale in an incorrect manner. So, what they were doing was, they were reading the labels on the scales as the centimeters and not the distance. So, suppose this is a ruler. Instead of understanding that this distance or this length is 1 centimeter, students were saying that this mark is 1 centimeter. Similarly, they said that this mark is 2 centimeter instead of this distance being 2 centimeter. So, when this pencil was kept on the ruler as shown in the video, students counted the labels and that's how they reached the answer 6 instead of 5 centimeter. Now let me ask a question. How many of us have seen students not able to measure using a ruler? Well, probably most of us would have seen that. But how many of us actually went behind their errors and tried to understand how they are approaching it, what are they thinking? Well, a few of us might have done that, but this is what Science of Learning is about. It will actually tell us how students think, how people approach a concept, how people understand things. And more importantly, when people are making mistakes, actually what is their thought process, what are the basic ideas that they have. So we learn about all this in this course.